Okay, so today we have a Bilt 2700 PSI pressure washer. It looks brand new. The complaint was that it doesn't start. I checked it as an oil, and yeah, indeed it doesn't start. Gas, there's not much gas in the tank, and also the tank seems a little bit dirty. So I don't know, maybe it was not stowed properly. I'm not sure. What we're going to do is we're going to put some starting fluid and see if we can get something from the engine. That should be enough. Yeah, it does seem to have a spark, so the issue should be within the fuel line. So let's remove the carburetor and see what happens there. Okay, so the cover is off, and here the remove the wires. And the hot air connection. And this is the connection that I just disconnected, the hot air connection. And now the carburetor is out. Everything looks really good and really new. So I'm tempting to just remove the carburetor chamber and to see what's going on there before we do anything else. So yeah, there's some. It looks clean, but there's a residue right there, and I have some. Yeah, this is similar dirt to what I found inside what I saw inside the fuel tank. So what we need to do is we need to take apart the entire carburetor and just clean it thoroughly, because this is enough to block the main jet. Yeah, it did. And indeed, the fuel, it's empty. The fuel tank is empty. So we will remove the fuel tank. We will also remove the carburetor and clean it all thoroughly. And I believe then it will be running fine. So let's get some torque screws for this. The first thing, disassemble the carburetor, is removing the spring, the governor spring. Actually, two ways to do it, but I think you know what? On the second tower, it will go with this plate, so I can move it from here. Okay, and then this will go in those two push rods. Push rods I will do later. This is a T30 torque key to take it out. Okay, two screws are out. Not totally. Okay, comes out. Now this side has an additional washer. So in this way we can remember that side has additional washer, which is the ground to make the to cut the engine. And here's the plate for the governor spring. Now we have to do it in two ways. The first one is turn it this way. Actually, maybe the governor will be easier. Let me check. Yeah, turn it upside down almost and push it. And this one is just slightly different this way. So this is the choke, this is the governor. And now we have the carburetor, and we put it on a bench and do some cleanup.